is our second attempt to visit Toyota Automobile Museum. We were here last Monday. Close sila pag Monday ha. So tara, definitely ngayon bukas to. Opens at 9:30 a.m. up to 5 p.m. only. The tickets, if you are PWD, may discount. There's the ticketing center, museum lounge, and the restaurant. Ang cute oh, pati dito sa kanilang restroom. May mga... Okay. Okay. Museum shop and cafeteria. Getting this Toyota car pullback. We're done here in Toyota. Papunta kami dun sa Aeon Mall. Ayun lang siya oh. Just 6 minutes of walk. Lakad na, ang lamig oh. Grabe, matirik yung araw pero ang lamig. Lakas ng mall na. Gutom na kami so kakain muna kami. Hanap ng mukhang masarap, dad, oh. Pwede kang mag-microwave doon, oh. All this food at around 3,000 yen. So, i-convert natin. Magkano lang ito?
1,200.
Mga 1,200 for all of this. Bon appetit! Dito sa Japan, magandang kumain sa ilalim ng mga mall kasi sa totoo lang mura naman. Tapos madami ka pang mapipili. Hindi ka na maghihintay. Fresh din naman yung food nila. Kaya, look at this. Sarap.